aloha, Tiana Henderson from West Oahu. I just am very grateful for this experience that we had, and especially in learning that to facilitate emerging and engaging leaders, you have to be an emerging and engaging teacher. And so mahalo nui for that little nugget. I will continue to hopefully push through in my self-discovery so that I can also facilitate and help others.
That was beautiful, Tiana.
Thank you, Rouel.
That was really beautiful. My name is Rouel Velasco from the area of student life here at West Oahu, and I want to ditto that comment, but I want to take it a different approach. That of in addition to that, looking at and extending this work in the areas beyond the academic classrooms. I see a lot of this tied to the students that I work with in clubs and organizations in roles of responsibility. And so one of the things from self-management to self-management to personal responsibility, interdependence, a lot of those key things are important for our leaders. So a lot of those strategies are important to develop our young people, our adult learners in working with one another. So every facet of this workshop has been such an integral piece of allowing us to move, allowing us to share, allowing us to get vulnerable into spaces that allows us as professionals to get connected. And I think with this work, I think what is powerful is that we had not only folks within student affairs, we had folks in academic affairs. This is a much larger commitment for colleges and universities, that we need to have people from different divisions coming together so that we can speak a common language. And I think starting with here, we were able to begin unfolding that, share experiences, share our vulnerabilities, be in community, and a lot of our exercises allows us to do that. And so in practicing as professionals gives us that experience to how facilitating this experiences with our students. So every facet of this workshop, this 3-day, has been such a beneficial, valuable experience.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mahalo nui, Jonathan, Carolina, we love you guys. Aloha.